Experience the legend with Uluru Motorcycle Tours. Take a truly unforgettable journey to explore the incredible Uluru and Kata Tjuta National Park as a passenger on an authentic Harley Davidson heritage softail motorcycle. Uluru Motorcycle Tours takes you on an outback adventure like no other. Take in the breathtaking beauty of Australia's Red Centre on tours to Uluru and the majestic Kata Tjuta. Experience an unforgettable Northern Territory sunrise or sunset on a personalised tour unlike any other. Uluru Motorcycle Tours offers Harley Davidson and Trike tours ranging from a quick spin through to the full experience of both Uluru and Kata Tjuta. Travel behind one of our professional riders or sit side by side with a friend or child on our Trike tours. Uluru Motorcycle Tours has been operating for over 20 years and is the only motorcycle tour company approved to operate within the Uluru Kata Tjuta National Park. Our experienced riders will ensure your enjoyment, safety and comfort at all times and leave you with an unforgettable experience of a lifetime. Experience the legend with Uluru Motorcycle Tours. Book online now or contact our tour office for more details.